Hi everyone, my name is H. Vijay Babu, Assistant Professor in Pallavi Engineering College. I am going to explain units, dimensions and measurements. I am not going to explain all concepts. I am going to explain the easy way how to write the dimensions. Some concepts you can read easily. What are the concepts are difficult to understand? Those concepts I will explain of units, dimensions and measurements. Now see here, if you want to write the units, dimensions and measurements, first I am going to explain the dimensions. I am going to explain the dimensions. It is very important. I am going to explain dimensions. Dimensions are nothing but, see the definition of dimension. Dimensions are the power raised on fundamental quantities to express the derived quantity. It means previous video, what are the meanings of fundamental quantities, what are the meanings of derived quantity, what is the definition of fundamental and what is the definition of derived. You have to watch from video 1. It is video 2, and from this video 2, dimensions are the power raised on fundamental quantities to express the derived quantities. It means you have to remember that word M, L, T. If you want to write the dimensional formula, maximum these 3 letters we are using. If you want to write the dimensional formula, these 3 letters we are using maximum. And here you know very well MLA. You remember that word MLA. Instead of A, just write it T. While you are remembering MLT, first remember MLA. Instead of A, you can write T. It means MLT. Dimensions are the power raised on fundamental quantities. Express the derived quantities. It means dimensions means we are taking the powers. Dimensions of 7 fundamental quantities. The first one is length, second one is mass, third one is time, fourth one is electric current, fifth one is thermodynamic temperature, sixth one is luminous intensity, seventh one is amount of substance. Here there are 7 fundamental quantities are there. The first one is length, very important. Second one is mass. It means you have to remember length is represented by letter L, mass is represented by letter M, time is represented by letter T. Dimension means you have to make bracket, that is also important. Electric current is represented by letter I, thermodynamic temperature is represented by letter K or theta, luminous intensity is represented by letter C, amount of substance nil. It means there is no dimensional formula. Now see here, now area, length into breadth, volume, length into breadth into height, dimensional formulas, velocity, displacement by time, force, mass into acceleration. First, if you want to write the dimensional formula of, suppose I am going to write the dimensional formula of okay, now see. Okay. Now see here. I am going to write the dimensional formula of I am going to write the dimensional formula of first one is kinetic energy dimensional formula I will tell. Potential energy dimensional formula I will tell. Stress dimensional formula I will tell. Strain dimensional formula I will tell. Just to see here how to write the dimensional formulas. Dimensional formula. Kinetic energy, potential energy, stress, strain. Now see here. Now I am going to write the dimensional formula of now see here. First dimensional formula. How to write the dimensional formula? Dimensional formula, it means must be bracket and three letters are important. MLT. M represent about mass, L represent about length, T represent about time. First, I am going to write the kinetic energy dimensional formula. Kinetic energy dimensional formula of mv square. I am going to write the dimensional formula of kinetic energy. If you want to write the dimensional formula of kinetic energy of mv square, if you want to write any dimensional formula, first write a formula. It means this of no need to take. Mass dimension letter m. V square is there. First V square dimensional formula we have to write is velocity equal to displacement by time. Velocity equal displacement means length. Displacement means length. Length dimension letter L by T. It means V square means this one you can write L into T power minus 1. V square means L square T power minus 2. L square T power minus 2. It is the dimensional formula of kinetic energy. Here one also there. M or M power 1 both are same. These are called dimensional quantities. These are called dimensions. Dimension means power. Dimension means power of physical quantity. It means dimensions means here. Dimensions means bracket 1, 2, minus 2. These are the dimensions of physical quantity. It is kinetic energy dimensional formula. Suppose if you want to write the potential energy. Potential energy P equal to mgh. mgh. M letter you know very well, capital M dimensional. G is nothing but acceleration due to gravity is nearly equal to A. What are the dimensional formula is there? A. Same formula you can write G also. You know very well, acceleration equal to velocity by time. This velocity I am writing displacement by time. Down one T is there. Displacement dimension letter L. T square dimension letter T square. It means M L by T square into H. H means it is also a length L. It means M L square T power minus 2. It means kinetic energy, potential energy, dimensional formula is same. Next, I am going to explain the dimensional formula of. Stress. Stress sigma equal to you know very well force by area. Force by area. It means if you want to write the dimensional formula of stress, force by area. First you have to write the dimensional formula of force. Okay. You know very well. You know very well. You know very well. See, stress is represented by letter sigma equal to force by area. Force dimensional formula you can see. Force F equal to mass into acceleration. You know very well acceleration. If you want to write the dimensions of force, first you have to write acceleration. Acceleration A equal to velocity by time. Velocity equal to displacement by time. It means displacement means length by t square. It means force equal to mass dimension letter m, acceleration dimension letter L by t square. It means m L t power minus 2. It is the dimensional formula of force. But we need stress. Stress equal to force by area. Force dimensions are m L t power minus 2. Area is nothing but length into breadth. Length into breadth is called, we are taking length breadth also L square. It means m L power minus 1 t power minus 2. It is the dimensional formula of stress. Next, strain. Strain equal to change in dimension by original dimension. Change in dimension by original dimension. Strain is nothing but change in dimension by original dimension. It means change in dimension by original dimension. Dimension may be 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension. What I am telling is change in, suppose I am taking one dimension, change in length by original length. Change in length by original length cancel, 1 by 1 equal to 1. It means if you want to write the dimensional formula of strain, you can write the dimensional formula of strain. Dimensional formula of strain. Dimensional formula of strain, m power 0, L power 0, T power 0. It means dimensional formula means m power 0, L power 0, T power 0. From this one, dimensions means 0, 0, 0. Dimensional formula means why? Because 1 is there, m power 0, L power 0, T power 0. Everything is 1 into 1 into 1, remaining 1 only there. Hi guys.